All right, welcome back. And what we're about to do now is the last bit of the senior manager's project aim request number 4. So what do they want? They want in this final bit, like I explained, where they can see clearly the last decision based on their policy. And the policy in the last bit is if total team request is equals to 2 and the gender is less than 3, which means if the gender is 1 or 2, we should approve it. But how can they see it? Have gone through step 1, 2, 3. At this last bit, they want us to put the condition. What do you have in front of you? I've explained where I brought this to. That has been in all the reports before, and this is the logic. This last bit, it is what I said ESQL is going to apply. I'm going to the step bit now, where I said ESQL is going to apply logic here. I've explained what it did in all these bit statistics, and also finally it's going to aggregate too. So what it's doing here really is statistics and conditional logic. Look at it here. It's going to sum it, and that sum is going to apply logic. Is that sum greater than 2? Reject it, else approve it. As decision means create a column called decision. Let's run it and see what really I'm currently talking about. I am running the script currently. Now ESQL is doing its thing. This is the final bit of the project. This is human resources allocation under operations management, as you know. Look at what it's doing. Absolutely wonderful, making the decision for the senior managers with this multiple complex tables. As you can see, we're giving 2 different independent table, employees table and leave request table, 2 different independent table that we need to work together and bring them together. ESQL has finished. We need to bring them together first. Now start to count, start to group it. After grouping it, as you can see, let me push this one aside. It has now, what has it done? It has followed the logic that they want. What do they want? They want a condition where if the team, as you can see, team 1, if the gender is others, approve it. But based on the count, the request in this one, we can see team 1, others, approve it. Why are you approving it? Because it is because the total request, as you can see, it is 1. It is not above 2 here. All right, approve it. Next bit, HR, team 1, male, reject. Why? 4. Oh my goodness, 4 people of the same gender applied. I refresh your memory about this. This side by side is the request that we're giving. This number 3, I'm just going to highlight this bit out. This is the policy. Let's see, going to use something else. What kind of color will be very bright here? Let's use red. Let's make it larger, and that's it. This is the final policy we are helping the management to attain. What this provides: clear transparency. As you can see on the reason, I told you. I'm going to go to the next screen now. The reason it provides clear. Sorry, it provides. This is just at the right hand bit. It provides clear transparency. It reduces errors. It provides clear consistency. As you can see, clear consistency here. Just going to use a bit, make this one bolder. Clear, reduce errors, which is wonderful. Helps manage workload. Where is that core bit? Let's see. Establish clear. This is the main thing I personally like about this. It provides this. Let's put it as this. Let's make it dark. Establishes a clear criterion for approval of requests based on team size and gender. This is absolutely clear transparency. I'm going to push that aside now. So as you can see in front of yours, it has applied, it has rejected this one based on that condition. It went more, rejected the second one, approved this because it is a new team. As you can see, it is others gender, and is approved because it is just one, and on and on and on until this bit. So what are we doing now? We can have a look at the graph. Senior managers can clearly see what has happened. If they do want to have different kind of views, different kind of chart form, they are very free to play with it how they wish. This is absolutely wonderful what ESQL can provide for yourself and for your company. So I'm just going to comment this out. Comment, as you can know, it is for us to lock it in for the senior managers to be able to use this script anytime. You don't need Excel, the knowledge of Excel formula to achieve this type of kind of complex project, if I would say. I'm going to comment this out now. I'm going to use let's use light green once more. What is this project about? I'm commenting it here now, and that is it. So this is project, if you remember, this is project aim. Let's see, yes, this is project aim, project aim 4. Alright, so we're going to bring that down, make it clear and simple, and this is the logic behind it. Logic, just going to make this clearer. Alright, what have we achieved? This is what they want. Finally, we've approved, we've rejected exactly what they want. That concludes really this project aim. I am going now to do a recap really of what we have done. What have we done today? We have provided clearly, we've answered their questions using ESQL. As you can see in front of us, this was where we started, where they wanted clearly for us to go into the data with the multiple conditions that they had, but we still made it clear and simple using ESQL. They had 1, 2 objective and this constraint. They wanted us to provide first to validate the entry, which we did. Next, they wanted us to show how many requests per team we did. We grouped them, we applied this logic policy, and finally we provided a wonderful result. And we still made it clear we did not use formulas. With this, every member of the team can continuously use the script and bring consistency into the company. And thank you very much. This wraps up this project M. Just so you know, this is the table. This is the table employee E, and which we call T1 in the beginning. This was table 2, and this was what we replaced with this, our final algorithm. We now replace this table. As you can see clearly, this is a wonderful complex project. I hope I've been slow and steady walking you through this complex project in human resources and resource allocation that ESQL can solve simple and easily. So just so you know, right now, I hope I've been able to make everyone in this company smile like always. So as you can see here, ESQL has delivered. I've delivered a demo about it, and then finally we are making people all around the world happy. The use case, like I said, is huge. Multiple industry use cases that this particular scenario can handle. Do contact us for training or custom solutions. We are here and happy to help. Thank you very much. And this is the end. Have a wonderful day. Watch out for our next video of another wonderful episode that ESQL will be providing and helping every industry as we go along. Bye.